Hello and welcome to my channel, where I explore the hidden and mysterious aspects of the internet. Today, I'm going to talk about the dark web and online privacy, how the dark web is used for online privacy, anonymity, and security. But first, what is the dark web? The dark web is a part of the internet that isn't visible to search engines and requires the use of an anonymizing browser called Tor to be accessed. The dark web forms a small part of the deep web, the part of the web not indexed by web search engines. The dark web has often been confused with the deep web, but they are not the same. The dark web is not a single place, but a collection of different networks that use encryption and other techniques to hide their identity and activity from prying eyes. Some of these networks are small, friend-to-friend, peer-to-peer networks, while others are large, popular networks such as Tor, Freenet, I2P, and Riffle, operated by public organizations and individuals. The dark web has a reputation for being a hotbed of criminal activity, and it is true that you can find all kinds of illegal and harmful things on the dark web, such as drugs, guns, counterfeit money, stolen credentials, hacking services, ransomware, botnets, illegal pornography, terrorism, and more. According to a 2019 study by Dr. Michael Maguires at the University of Surrey, the number of dark web listings that could harm an enterprise has risen by 20% since 2016. Of all listings, excluding those selling drugs, 60% could potentially harm enterprises. However, not everything on the dark web is illicit or evil. The dark web also has a legitimate side, where people use it for online privacy, anonymity, and security. For example, you can join a chess club or black book, a social network described as the Facebook of Tor. You can also access websites that are censored or blocked in your country, such as news outlets, human rights organizations, whistleblowers, activists, and dissidents. You can also use the dark web to protect your personal data and identity from hackers, trackers, advertisers, and government surveillance. So how do you access the dark web safely? The most common way is to use the Tor browser, which is a free software that allows you to browse the web anonymously by routing your traffic through a network of volunteer servers around the world. To access websites on the dark web, you need to know their onion addresses, which are strings of random letters and numbers that end with onion instead of .com. You can find some onion addresses on directories like the Hidden Wiki or Dark Fail. However, using Tor alone is not enough to ensure your safety on the dark web. You also need to follow some basic precautions, such as use a VPN, virtual private network, to hide your IP address and location from your ISP, Internet Service Provider, and anyone who might be monitoring your traffic. Use antivirus software and firewall to protect your device from malware and hackers. Use strong passwords and encryption to secure your data and communications. Avoid clicking on unknown or suspicious links or downloading files from untrusted sources. Avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information on the dark web or using your real identity or email address. Avoid engaging in any illegal or unethical activities on the dark web or buying anything from darknet markets without doing proper research and verification. The dark web is a fascinating and complex part of the internet that offers both risks and benefits for online privacy, anonymity, and security. If you decide to explore it, make sure you do it safely and responsibly. And remember, curiosity killed the cat. That's all for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about the dark web. Thanks for watching and see you next time.